Forward. So animal lovers in Namma City came out with their pets to take part in Packathon, an animal welfare fortnight.
Be kind to animals, it costs nothing. Not every person knows how to love a dog, but every dog knows how to love a person. These lines were echoing on the streets of Bengaluru as several animal lovers came out in open with their pets for a cause. They were here as a part of Animal Welfare Fortnight to create awareness among the public on the prevention of cruelty and the importance of humane treatment to animals. It was not just the animal welfare groups participating in the Packathon. Members of other institutions and the Animal Husbandry Department of the BBMP were also part of the awareness program.
Ideas every year, the last 2 weeks of January is celebrated for animal welfare. And today being, this year being the Animal Welfare Board of India's 50th anniversary, the Golden Jubilee, a lot of NGOs and the BBMP together have come together to have a fortnight of events. So the start of this event is going to be with a walkathon, which we call as a packathon. Bring your animals, bring your family members and come and be a part of the packathon.
Packathon celebrations kick-started from Mayo Hall on MG Road today, but the event will continue till the 29th of January. To draw the attention of Bengalurians, several activities such as street puppy adoption camp, film screening, free vaccination drive and many more will be organized as a part of the event.
Initiative of animal welfare is very important, so especially in urban cities where there is no place for the animals to even stay safe and straying in the streets and so on, they just die out of pain, infliction of misery, and that's the best way to create that compassion to these animals. And the adaptation schemes or cat adaptation scheme like in Singapore or North America, 20,000 animals are adopted in a week. So that's the best way to keep the doors open in the houses and see that the stray animals are adopted by the society.
Animal Welfare Fortnight is celebrated across India in the month of January, and Bengaluru too is doing its bit to spread awareness. Now the activists only hope that these programs will help to sensitize citizens regarding pets and street dogs and also get them to adopt those pets who desperately need a home to live in. Nolan Pinto for News 9, Bengaluru.
Time now for another short break. News and updates continue. Stay tuned.
Are you searching for real gems and